Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Discount Nitro with Visa gift card. So let's get into the video. Open up Discord first and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, click on this U tab here. Just go to your profile, click on the U tab, and then here you'll see an option called Nitro. So simply click that so that we can purchase it. So go to Nitro and then select the plan that you wish to buy. So just select that, and then your payment method, so whatever your requirement is, just choose that, whatever that suits you, and then hit on purchase. So when you hit on purchase, this will take you to the payment section here. So now if you want to use your Visa gift card, simply select the payment or method here. So this will list all your payment methods. So now you want to use your Visa gift card, so that's considered as a, you can use this, enter that as a credit or debit card. Simply select this option here, add credit or debit card, and then simply type in or provide the details of your Visa gift card. So just type in the card details and then hit on save and then complete this transaction. So that's how you can use your Visa gift card. Just a point to keep in mind, only your Visa gift card might be accepted depending on your location, because some gift cards or some locations might not accept it. So just keep that in mind while you're trying it. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.